Hey everyone! I'm super excited to share our latest project, Templates Manager add-on. This tool is all about making it a breeze to manage and move your custom templates around. Now let me show you what I do. I head over to the Control Center, click on the tool list, and there it is, ready to help me streamline my workflow. Let's check it out. On the screen, you can see the Templates Manager window in NinjaTrader 8. At the top of the window, there is a drop-down menu labeled Operation, offering two options, Import to import templates, and Export to export them. Below that is a list of available categories, such as ATM strategy, chart, indicator, strategy, and others. The user can select one or more categories to perform the desired operation. At the top right of the window, you can see the file path displayed, indicating the directory where the templates are stored. This path is interactive and can be clicked to copy it, making it easy to navigate directly to the folder in your File Explorer. At the bottom of the window, there are two buttons, Import to confirm the import or export operation and Cancel to discard it. Let's take a closer look at how the checkboxes work. You can select individual categories by clicking their checkboxes. Or if you need to select everything at once, just use the main checkbox at the top. Really useful when handling multiple templates. Now, let's explore the folder structure. You can navigate between directories easily, and if you need to go back to the parent folder, just click the arrow at the top. This makes it easy to move through different levels without getting lost. Next, I'll switch from import to export mode. Here's an important detail. In import mode, only folders are visible, while in export mode, you can actually see the template files inside those folders. I am in the Trading Hours category and have selected a few templates from the list. I then click the Export button to start the export process. A Confirm Export confirmation box appeared, asking me if I wanted to merge the selected templates into a zip archive. I confirmed by clicking Yes. The result was a zip archive containing all the selected templates. This is a handy way to keep multiple files in one place for easy portability. Note that when exporting, the parent folder where the templates are stored is saved. The parent folder will always be created if you export directly template files or many selected folders at the same time. All of these will be placed in the parent folder. This will allow it to be returned in the correct order when importing back. Now let's try to import back our Trading Hours templates. You need to specify by checkbox the folder where you want to put your templates. If you don't select any folder, you will be prompted to put it in the current directory where you are. For example, let's put our templates in the folder with templates for strategies. After importing, you should refresh the interface by re-entering this folder, and as you can see, our Trading Hours templates are now in the Strategy Templates folder. If you select more than one folder for import, you will be prompted to transfer to all of these folders. This can be used if you have many strategies with the same parameter structure, and with one action put the same settings for all your strategies. As you can see, in all of these folders are our templates with Trading Hours that we exported earlier. The same way it will work with any other templates and folders. That wraps up our overview of the Templates Manager add-on for NinjaTrader 8. As you've seen, it's a powerful and convenient tool for managing, importing, and exporting templates efficiently. Whether you're working with Trading Hours, indicators, or strategies, this add-on simplifies the process and helps you stay organized. If you're interested, the add-on is available via the link in the description below. Plus, you can take advantage of a free 7-day trial to test all its features. Make sure to check it out and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more NinjaTrader content, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. See you in the next video.